Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Somerset local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moving is regarded as tough because of the long moving hours, high-end costs, and time it takes to complete it. Furthermore, a DIY long moving is not liable for moving the entire apartment. Therefore, if you have to shift to a new place with your belongings, you should consider hiring professional moving services. In Somerset, people love 3 Movers for our high-quality moving service. We offer long-distance moving services at reasonable prices. Our team consists of individuals trained in using professional techniques for wrapping and packing your belongings. You can choose and customize the plan based on your moving needs. Apart from providing packing and moving services, we also offer auto transportation for your vehicles. We will load your vehicle in the truck and transport it along with other belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Somerset moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.